Hey everyone, another great tip. Reuse, recycle. So we've run out of our pink sprinkles, but the container is going to be very handy. I'm going to show you, and you guys are onto it, you actually don't need too much, but I've got my 4 favorite things that I want to take away with me, but I don't want to take all of this, and sometimes it's just not practical. So I'm going to use a funnel, and I put too much in the funnel, but that's okay. Look, now I've got a herbs and spices 4 flavor traveling companion. So we can keep going. You want us to keep going? We're filling it up. We're filling it up, making it look good. I just put far too much. I love this one. Hang on, I'm going to do it quick. Over the sink. So let's go. This one is our mixed herbs, which is really handy for everything. So I'm filling that up. I also have another barbecue rub, rub, which I love. It's the South Seas fish rub, but I actually really like it on chicken too. Oh, I put it in the wrong hole. You should have told me. Doesn't matter. So you get the gist anyway. That you can use it as a traveling. That looks so pretty. You could actually do that. Looks pretty with the layers, and then you don't know what flavor you're going to get, but you know you like them all. Anyway, traveling companion for your herbs and your spices and your salt and your peppers and everything else you may need. Recycle, reuse. Thanks, bye.